Hello everyone and welcome back to Twoguysfinance channel, and today I'm going to walk you through I'm going to answer a question that was asked. The question is it possible to apply for both an open work permit and spousal sponsorship at the same time? And the answer is yes, it is possible, but the specific conditions depend on your situation and the country you're applying to. Today we are going to focus on New Zealand. Now you can check out other videos for other countries. We have for Australia, we have for United States, and we have for the United Kingdom, and we have for other countries as well. We did for about 24 countries. But today we are concentrating on New Zealand. Now, if you want to apply for a spousal sponsorship, also called partner of a New Zealand visa, how do you do it? If you're a New Zealand citizen or resident, you can sponsor your spouse for a partner of a New Zealander visa. This visa allows your spouse to live in New Zealand while you work on proving your relationship. After approval, your spouse can now apply for a resident visa. Now, a partner visa in New Zealand typically comes with work rights. So once the visa is granted, your spouse will be able to work in New Zealand. So you don't need to apply for an open work permit again. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more, and check out our other videos too.